Good morning. My name is Mokola. Is that your name?
Yes.
It's nice to meet you. So here at Comfort Eduserve, we help you with the seamless application to your study destination, from the application to school process to the visa process up until you get to the UK. And even when you get to the UK, we have some members of our staff over there, even our director, that will help you settle in the UK very well. So here, since you said you want to study at the master's level, we would give you the best advice on the school, give you the best advice on the course. We'll discuss about the tuition fee, how to pay it, give you the best advice on proof of funds. Thereafter, you do the visa application, and you're rest assured that you get your visa, because we'll make sure that all your documents will be complete. Do you understand me, ma? It's nice to meet you.
You won me.
We did. That's good to know. That's very good to know. So we can start the process. Okay.